This is an Antioch University academic technology tutorial on how to set up and use live transcripts in Zoom 5.5 and higher. The first thing you should do is go to the Zoom Download Center and download the latest version of the Zoom client. If it's version 5.5 or higher, it'll have the ability to do live transcripts. After you've updated your client or installed this new client, if you hadn't had it installed before, go to AU Direct and log in. Then go to the Zoom website and sign into your Zoom account. Once you're in your Zoom account, go to your settings page and scroll about 2/3 of the way down until you see the closed captioning. Make sure the button is slid to the on position and that it's blue. If Enable Live Transcription Service isn't clicked, click it. Once your settings look like this, any new meeting of yours that you are the host of and that's in your meetings will have live transcription enabled. The next step is to open your meeting and to turn it on. Here's my Zoom meeting window, and you can't see any live transcripts at the moment. So I'll click this new live transcript button, and I can enable auto transcription down at the bottom. The other options are assigning a participant who's in your meeting to type, assigning yourself to type, or to connect with a third-party service that would do transcription at a cost. This new feature of live transcript in Zoom is free for most accounts, and everyone at Antioch has this ability now. You'll see that these transcripts pop up somewhere on your screen. If they're in the way, like initially they came and they were covering up my buttons, I just used my cursor to grab and move the transcripts wherever it was convenient. If you are in a gallery view with lots of people, this bar may be not the most convenient way to see the transcripts. So you can use the little up arrow next to the live transcript button, and you can view the full version of the transcript. This will show you, like the chat window, the entire transcript in the sidebar, and it'll continue to add transcripted text down at the bottom, and it'll scroll itself up. In this way, each person can choose what's the best way for them to see the transcript, or not to see it at all. You'll see my toolbar has shrunk, and the live transcript button, because this white space is taking up space, has been moved into the More button. You can hide the subtitle version, which is this black backgrounded section on the left. You can hide or show the full transcript using the Close Full Transcript button. And if you want to work on your settings, you can turn on one of your transcripts and click on Subtitle Settings. Up here, you have a bar that can make the text larger or smaller depending on how big your screen is, how large you want to see it, how much space you have down there. Now, this does not change the view for everyone in your meeting. This only changes your view of the transcripts that you can see, unless you're doing what I'm doing, which is sharing my Zoom window. In most cases, people will not be seeing your Zoom window with your transcripts. They will just see theirs, and each person gets to choose the way they want to see them. If you have any questions about live transcript in Zoom, please email us at at@antioch.edu.